Hello, in today's Fast Learner video, I will show you how to use Amplisuite 1.2 with the OtoAccess database. To start, please open the OtoAccess database. Once it is loaded, you can select one of the patient records here. If you would like to add a new patient, please click here and fill out the relevant information. Click here to save these details. You can then select your patient from this panel. You can open either the Amplisuite audiometry module or the admittance module by clicking either of these buttons. This will open a new Amplisuite window. This means that you can have both modules open at the same time. Here, you can download the test from your instrument or add one manually. To save these results to the OtoAccess database, click the Save icon. Or if you would like to save multiple tests, click the Save All icon here. You can then see the downloaded tests in the database by clicking this button. If we go back to the Amplisuite window, you can see that you can select different patients by clicking the patient name here and then clicking which patient details that you would like to load. You can select a recent test result through the Amplisuite sidebar. To see a particular test in OtoAccess, please click here after selecting your patient details. This will load a preview of the selected test, as you can see, and you can double click the test to open it in Amplisuite. Thanks for watching. If you would like to find out more about our latest Amplisuite release or our other quick, fast learner videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.